Making brochures and flyers in EOM Pro couldn't be any easier. Over the next minute or two, I'll show you everything you need to know to turn that boring old data we already entered into show-stopping, jaw-dropping, PDF-loving brochures and flyers. The first thing we need to do is click Create Brochures and Flyers. Here, we can select what style we want. Let's choose style number 8. Now we can scroll down to choose what kind of item we want to create. Since Brochure has the most whistles and bells, I'll show you how to do that. But don't worry, the flyers work the exact same way, they just contain fewer options. Underneath the Create button, we can see all of the available page types for our brochure. We can turn them on or off by either checking or unchecking their boxes. To add or modify content on these pages, click their name because they're links. Depending on the page, you get different types of data to enter or modify. Most of the pages, like location highlights or investment highlights, are text-based paragraph forms. On these pages, just type directly into the field, and when you're done, hit Save. When you're finished making your changes on these types of pages, be sure to click the Go to Brochure and Flyer Options link to get back to the brochure creation page. Some of the other pages, like property photos, floor plan, or aerial photos, are photo upload pages. On these pages, you can add, delete, or modify photos and their descriptions. When you're done making any of the desired changes you'd like to make, click the Go to Brochure and Flyer Options link to take us back to the brochure creation page. Next up is one of the coolest features in all of EOM Pro, the Multiple Properties and Comparison page. Here, you can create comparisons to any other property you already have entered in our system. This side-by-side analysis really helps clients get a quick understanding of how this property stacks up to any other similar ones you're currently researching or listing. To use this page, click the drop-down buttons next to property number 2 and property number 3. Select the ones you want to compare and hit Save. When you're done with this page, hit the Go to Brochure and Flyer Options link at the top. The last kind of special page you will encounter is PDF attachments. On this page, you can attach any other PDFs you've created in this or any other program or application. So now let's say you're done making all the changes to all of the content on all of the pages, and you've made the decision which pages you want to keep active and which pages you want to turn off. Now you can hit the Create button, which is right underneath the Brochure tab in the Content section. This process may take a minute or so, but be patient as it is assembling everything into one easy-to-send PDF. Now that it's finished processing, you can either hit Save and choose where you'd like to save this file on your local machine, or hit Preview to view the PDF in your web browser. Here's one that I created earlier. Now, what is really cool about this system is that it neatly and intelligently names each page. This will make finding that one important piece of information that is buried deep inside your memorandum so much easier to find. If you're happy with the way this brochure turned out, head back over to EOM Pro and go back to the brochure/flyer page and scroll all the way back to the bottom. Here, you can name this version, describe it, check off which items you want to save, and then hit Store. This will save this version of the brochure to EOM Pro, so you can always view, print, or download it again later, even if you've made changes to some of the sections afterwards. And that covers how easy it is to use our robust brochure and flyer creation tool in EOM Pro.